Some projects are so massive that they can be seen from space. Others took decades to build and cost hundreds of billions of dollars. But the biggest project on this list is so ambitious that it could completely change the future of an entire country. These are the 10 biggest megaprojects ever built. Let's begin. From above it looks like a giant palm tree floating on the sea. But Palm Jumeirah is actually one of the largest artificial islands ever created. Engineers moved millions of tons of sand and rock to build this incredible island, which is now home to luxury hotels, private villas, and thousands of residents. It completely changed Dubai's coastline. But the next megaproject pushed engineering even further. For centuries, people dreamed of connecting Britain and France beneath the sea. That dream finally became reality with the Channel Tunnel. Stretching more than 50 kilometers, it is one of the longest underwater tunnels ever built. Every day, passenger and freight trains travel beneath the English Channel in just minutes. Building it required years of excavation and extraordinary precision. But the next project was even larger. The Panama Canal changed global shipping forever, but growing trade demanded something even bigger. Engineers expanded the canal with massive new locks capable of handling some of the largest cargo ships in the world. The project took nearly a decade and transformed one of the world's most important trade routes. Yet compared to the next megaproject, this expansion was only a small step. Imagine a city that stretches for 170 kilometers in a perfectly straight line. That is the vision behind the line, one of the most ambitious construction projects ever announced. Designed to run entirely on renewable energy, the futuristic city aims to house millions of people without traditional roads or cars. If completed, it could completely change the way cities are built. But even this futuristic project is smaller than the next one. Northern China has struggled with water shortages for decades, leading engineers to create one of the largest water transfer systems in history. Thousands of kilometers of canals, tunnels, and pipelines now move billions of cubic meters of water every year across the country. The project took decades to build and required relocating hundreds of thousands of people. Yet the next megaproject is visible from space. Across Africa, millions of trees are being planted to stop the Sahara Desert from expanding farther south. The Great Green Wall stretches across multiple countries and aims to restore huge areas of damaged land while improving the lives of millions of people. It is one of the largest environmental projects ever attempted. But the next project reaches far beyond our planet. Instead of being built on Earth, this megaproject was assembled piece by piece while orbiting hundreds of kilometers above the planet. The International Space Station is one of the most expensive engineering projects ever completed. Astronauts from many different countries have lived and worked there for decades, conducting thousands of scientific experiments. Even so, the next structure is far larger. China's Three Gorges Dam is the largest hydroelectric power station ever built. The massive concrete structure stretches for more than 2 kilometers across the Yangtze River and produces enough electricity to power millions of homes. Building it took years and completely transformed the surrounding region. But the next megaproject required digging through an entire continent. Connecting the eastern and western United States once seemed impossible. Mountains, deserts, and thousands of kilometers of wilderness stood in the way. After years of construction, the Transcontinental Railroad united the country and completely changed transportation, trade, and economic growth. It remains one of the most influential engineering achievements in history. But nothing compares to the project that takes the #1 spot. NEOM is one of the largest and most expensive megaprojects ever planned. Covering an enormous area in Saudi Arabia, it includes futuristic cities, floating industrial zones, luxury resorts, and advanced transportation systems. The project is expected to cost hundreds of billions of dollars and aims to create an entirely new model for how people live and work. If completed as planned, it could become one of the greatest engineering achievements in human history. No other megaproject on this list matches its incredible scale and ambition. From giant dams and underwater tunnels to futuristic cities and structures in space, these megaprojects prove that human engineering has almost no limits. Which project impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Factnox for more amazing facts, incredible engineering, and unbelievable discoveries. See you in the next video.